Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here we are at Marshall's doing a shop with me. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you with a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the shopping trip. I'll see you at the end. these vases with the sunflowers are absolutely gorgeous, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.